welcome to another video on my channel. And also, happy December. I am super excited for Christmas. I'm counting down the days. There's 22 more days until Christmas. It is also 213 days until 4th of July, which is my other Christmas. But I digress. For today's video, I wanted to do a fun kind of upcycling / DIY project of making a large body pillow out of materials that I have thrifted or found scrap materials or somehow got them secondhand. So first of all, we have this very soft, kind of almost minky fabric I found at Joann's. It was in the section where they have just kind of leftover scraps and it was on clearance. So it was super cheap and also very, very soft and very cute. So I got it. I also have this fabric, which is a bed sheet that I found at the local thrift store. So this is going to be the front of the pillow, and this is going to be the back of the pillow. I saw this really cute idea for a pom-pom pillow, where basically you get some pom-pom trim, you put it with your fabric right sides together, fold it inside out, and then you have a lovely trim to go with your pillow that's very fluffy and bouncy and is very cute and fun. And I think that matches the vibe that I want my house to have, so I was really excited to do this project. And then as far as the stuffing for the pillow goes, my friend, he knows I like to do sewing and make videos and stuff like that. He gave me some old pillows that he had that the fabric's kind of wearing thin. It's getting kind of old. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those pillows. They're two kind of smaller body pillows that I'm going to combine together. I'm going to take the old fabric off because it's kind of dirty, throw that away, and then use the filling in the new pillow to have a nice recycled thrifted pillow project. Diana? She's just staring outside. Diana? She's like, come here. YouTubes, Diana. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. It's right there. Unfortunately, I was only able to upload one video last month just due to schedules and craziness and doing 2 Christmas shows and everything. But to make up for that, for this month, I'm hoping to do 3 videos. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for a extra video this month. So yeah, let's get started. For this first step in my project, I laid out the pillows and measured the dimensions of the pillow so I would know how much fabric I would need for the project. The body pillows were about 60 inches long together, and the width of the pillows were about 4 inches. It's at this point in the process that you remember your second fabric still needs to be washed and dried, so you go do that so it's ready for tomorrow. But as a bonus, you can take the excess fabric from your first material to make a very comfy scarf. Brand new iron. Make sure to put your iron on the correct temperature for your fabric and have at it. pom-pom trim on your pillow, make sure to have your right sides of your fabric together and then place the trim in between those two fabrics with the pom-poms facing on the inside. Okay, so update time. I'm still working on the pillowcase. I just got home from work, which is why I look a little tired, but don't worry about it. It'll be good. I noticed I was making a couple mistakes with how I was sewing it. It just wasn't lining up right, and then one of the pieces that I cut for the pillowcase was somehow too short, so it wasn't lining up right. So I've been unpicking and resewing a couple times. I still have to unpick just a little bit more to straighten this out, make it a little bit better. This is my first time doing a pillowcase just without any sort of pattern or measurements or anything. I'm just kind of basing it off of the pillow. So it makes sense that I'm making some mistakes and having to go back a little bit, but all in all, this has been a very easy project, and I'm really excited because this lemon fabric is so soft, and I'm super excited for when it can be a pillow. The way that I'm making the pillowcase is with the thrift fabric that I got. I'm using the already hemmed edges here, and what I'm doing is I'm cut two pieces to overlay in the back, so when I fold it outwards it has a complete back, but I can pull it apart to pull out the pillow or stuffing or whatever I'm using inside, so that way I can wash the pillowcase or wash the pillow. So yeah, that's a general update, and let's keep going. So I figured out the reason why my fabric was too short in the first place was because I had cut the thrift fabric the same length as the lemon fabric. But if you want to overlay the fabric in the back, like I am doing in this video, you want to make sure that the back fabric is longer than the lemon fabric, so that way they can overlap each other in the back of the pillow when you sew them together. It's done. Ouch. Don't scratch me. Just come up here. So yeah, I finished the pillow. It's really cute and I love it a lot. I love how the pink pom-poms go with both of the fabric, the blue and the lemons and the pink and stuff, and I think it's super cute. This pillow turned out really, really long because I thought I was only going to be able to fit like a pillow and a half, but we were able to fit both pillows into this monster of a body pillow, and it's really big. It's almost as tall as me, actually. But I'm super glad that I did this because the fabric is super soft and I think it looks super cute, and I still haven't quite decided where I'm going to put it in the house. I was thinking the living room, but I also kind of like it in the bedroom because it's really nice to cuddle with, and it's also kind of close to the color palette I want to do, but we will see. Maybe pitch this down so you can see the cat. There you go. Now you can see the cat. There she is. Like, cookie. Truth be told, I got really frustrated with this project because I thought it was going to be super easy because I've made pillowcases before. Maybe not one this big, but I thought it was going to be just a really simple project. But I've never really done a stretchy fabric with a non-stretchy fabric before, and I'm still getting used to my sewing machine, and so I had to unpick several times, and I was not happy about that. And I was getting very, very frustrated with this project and just feeling like I couldn't get it done and stuff. But thankfully, Eric helped me out. He helped me finish the last bit of the sewing. And once it was done and I was able to turn it inside out or right side in and fill it with the stuffing and everything, it looks super cute. It's very comfy, and I love how the pom-pom trim turned out. I think that was a good decision to do that because it just makes it have that extra cuteness. And I'm really glad I did it, even though I got really frustrated. Kitty cam. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little fun DIY upcycling project. I'm proud of the fact that a lot of it is upcycled material, the stuffing and the plaid material, and then of course we got some clearance material as well. I hope you guys were inspired and that you feel a spark of creativity in your own lives and had fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!